Now, Prashant, what is the general trend that we have observed is students go on preparing, and directly on the exam day they face a paper in exam conditions 2 to 5, all the concepts coming together, and they cannot assimilate their thoughts and write a good paper. So, how important is it to write a test series and solve past papers?
Writing test series and solving past papers will help them understand what the institute wants from them.
Right.
So that will help them analyze that what kind of knowledge is expected from them, what level of knowledge is expected from them. The second benefit of writing tests is that it helps in improving speed, and it helps in improving the accuracy, our accuracy in doing numericals, and it automatically helps us revise the concepts.
Right.
So these three are the benefits which I considered, and that's why I advise to write tests.
So, how many mocks should a student write before actually facing the examination?
2 mocks.
2 mocks, and both should be institute mocks, or is a coaching class mock also okay?
Institutes mocks will help in understanding what institutes expect from them.
Right.
That's one of the benefit, because coaching mocks, it is helpful. It is definitely helpful because it will help us revise. But the level of question might not be up to the mark.
Right.
So I prefer. In fact, I also did the same, that I referred to institutes test series.
Right. So, solving institutes past papers, the recent mock papers will definitely help students understand what the institute expects, and they can write their papers in a better way. Right?
Yes.
Okay.